just wanted to show you an experiment. A lot of people use really harsh chemicals to clean the bathroom and the kitchen sink. Well, anybody that follows my page will know that I like to experiment, and I had this thought, right, that when you're cleaning your bathroom and we're using forever harsher and harsher chemicals to try and strip away the oil on the bath and the dirt, actually oil is bindable with other oil. So I had this thought, and I started using vegetable oil to clean the bathroom with. It's not as bad as it sounds. It comes off without any scrubbing because oil binds with oil. So, you know, you're trying to use harsh chemicals, and not only is it costly, but you get a bath after it. What are you bathing in? What are you breathing in? Whereas just any kind of oil from the supermarket at 60p will clean your bath. So I just wanted to show you that it works. So we've left this line here for you so you can see. Quite a dirty line. It's not a very good light, but there is a lot of dirty lines. And using just ordinary oil, it comes off really easily. And furthermore, it doesn't leave your bath full of chemicals. That's just off now. There's the cloth. Why use expensive chemical bath cleaners when we can just use simple nut and seed oils? Healthier for the lungs, healthier to sit in afterwards, and it does the job. Oh yeah, sorry, there's the black off the bath. So give it a go and let me know what you think.